Florida pizza delivery worker is held without bond after allegedly stabbing a pregnant woman 14 times, all over a tip she received. Authorities say Brianna Alvelo attacked the woman at a motel in Kissimmee. Investigators say she came back to the victim's room after receiving a $2 tip, forced her way in with a male suspect, and stabbed the woman. The victim is recovering.
A mother in Osceola County is recovering after detectives say she was stabbed 14 times over a $2 pizza delivery tip. They add when the mom went to the hospital for the injuries, she found out she was a few weeks pregnant. According to an arrest affidavit, 22-year-old Brianna Alvelo delivered pizza at the Rivera Motel in Kissimmee. That is where the mom, her 5-year-old daughter, and the mom's boyfriend were staying to celebrate a birthday. The cost for pizza was about $33. Investigators claimed the mom handed Alvelo a $50 bill, asked for change, but was denied. The mom allegedly tried looking for smaller bills and ended up giving Alvelo a $2 tip. The affidavit says about 30 minutes later, Alvelo returned to the motel room with a man who had a gun and that the two of them were wearing masks and all black. It says there was banging on the door, and when the mom opened, the suspects stormed in. Investigators say when Alvelo stabbed the mom more than a dozen times, the other suspect pointed a gun at the boyfriend and the mom's 5-year-old daughter. The crime led Osceola County deputies to Marco's Pizza Shop in Kissimmee, where they say they spoke with the manager who confirmed Alvelo as the delivery driver. She is facing charges of attempted murder with a weapon, home invasion, kidnapping, and aggravated assault.